a proven 7-step formula for turning your painting business into a $1 million operation. Hi, Lee Casano here. Discover the #1 money-making system used today by painting contractors who want larger paydays. It's all laid out in an easy-to-follow 7-step plan in a downloadable PDF. This proven business model is how ultra-successful painting business owners who invested in a certain national painting franchise are taught to operate their painting businesses. This business model will work on a small scale as well as a larger scale. Learn the system that is turning painters into millionaires. Fact, one of these larger franchises say their average franchisee's gross sales were just under $500,000 in 2009, and they're just shy of $1 million per year as of 2014. Do you think that it's safe to follow this type of painting business model? Common sense tells you that the answer is an astounding yes. These figures prove that even if the average painting contractor who only does 10% as well as these guys, that his income could still be over $100,000 per year and stay rock solid as well. Do you have to invest big money to make a profit with this 7-step system? No. You will learn why when you download this free report. Just enter your best email below.